Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Pollinator Week starting today, June 16, 2025. Today we're getting crafty and celebrating our buzzing buddies by decorating a nature-inspired envelope with the cutest flower pocket. So grab your supplies and let's spread some pollinator love one petal at a time. And probably you have the idea that only bees can be pollinators, but pollinators can be birds, flies, spiders, even frogs, or some little animals from the garden. They visit the flowers and take the pollen from one place to the other. So I have this amazing cover in this magazine, and what I did was I cut the bottom and I took advantage of the shape to create this semicircle here that remind me a lot about a pocket. Inside here, I have a lot of pages dedicated to pollinators, to bees, because I had a lot of information about bees at that time, and I started creating a lot of ephemera, and then I ended having them in this page for this journal. And as you can see here, I create this out of a packaging material, and these are flowers with bees. I have more bees here, and also I use paint swatches to create this beautiful little card. It has lavender in the back, and then here I have different yellow coneflower tones in which I glued some stickers. I decorated this envelope using a stencil and my ink pad, and it says, love flowers, you've got to live. So go check this video, but I believe you're gonna find interesting information and you're going to love it. It looks to me that this color is the color for the spring summer. I've seen it in dresses, blouses, in purses. Amazing lilac. I'm going to just glue this here, and my idea is to place it inside a journal, my new journal, because actually right now I'm almost done with my Mamacita's journal. I think I have one or two more videos to go with this journal, and so I need to start another journal so I can show you what I'm creating and what I'm doing every day. And then you're gonna glue only a U shape, because remember this is going to be a pocket. And for me to keep this in the center, I need to cut on both sides what I have extra. So the surplus of paper, I need to cut it, and for that I turn it and then I cut it from here. So the idea is to have an envelope that I can use to sew inside a journal. I want to make a little tag so I can have some pollinators in here. I have this material. This bee is too much color. I can use it probably in the back of the envelope, and it can go in here. I can just fussy cut this and place it on one side. Look at this. I did this for the Fember Ember 2022, and it's a beautiful page I dedicated also to bees. Look, I have bees, some flowers, and then space for journaling, and I have them in the back here. And also I used this bear as a talk spot. So this was 2022, December 7th. Incredible. Time goes really fast, and sometimes you don't even realize. Also, I have, this is a chocolate somebody brought me from Venezuela, South America, and also I dedicated for bees. So always be your own queen. I can use my new pocket to keep this. Yes, I'm going to place that here. This is going to be placed on a journal, on a new journal. Or if I have space, or you have space, you can always glue this triangle here onto any page inside your journal on the back of the envelope. So I'm going to open it. A ruler is usually good for this, but I don't know in this case. Yes. Okay, I'm ready with the side, and then the other side. All right, so this is my envelope, and my idea is to glue this inside just the way it is. Let me see, the letters are facing down, like if I write it here. Yes, I just apply my glue, water glue, and let's place a beautiful heart. We love pollinators, we need them in our life. And let's place this inside here. Let's do something different. Let's just go in here. Let's just go in here. And as you can see, there is a little difference between the slope of this side and the slope in here. So you can go between this vertex and that one there and just make a line. And we're gonna have a frame here. And then we're gonna glue it. If you open it, it's much better and easier to work with. Now let me show you. We can place it to the front to give this more definition, you see? Or we can just glue it onto the back so we can have a purple frame. And as you can see here, this is where you do your line between this and this point there. So let me do it for this flap, because once you cut it, there's nothing else you can do. So make sure to choose what you really want to do. This is perfect. Actually, I can fold it a little bit upper here because I have space. Yep. Let's fold it a little bit up. And so I cover completely this white part. Let's just go like so. And I have an extra from my pocket that I can leave or I can cut. I prefer to cut. I don't have the main, let's call it the main envelope. I don't have the main envelope anymore, but I have a page that I can place inside a journal and it's made out of an envelope. Over here, as I'm gonna leave this chocolate box, I remember the prompt for this December Ember was ticket. So I created this ticket because actually the box looks to me like a ticket. So I just cut it here and made a huge ticket. And I dedicated to bees. So I'm gonna leave it here and let's have this around here. What about if I place it, too many bees, right? I'm gonna put it here because, let me see, we need to go like so. Okay, we're gonna go like so, because then this is gonna face this way and this is facing this way. So let me see in here. I'm changing the system I had for keeping my butterflies. I prefer this I'm using now. So I'm gonna let you know in another or on another video. And so I'm looking for a, this is too blue. I love this one. Let me just fussy cut this one. I changed my mind. I'm going to place it here. Just to remember that not only bees are pollinators, butterflies are too. So let's have her here. I love the way it looks. And then it goes here. Remember, this is going to go like so. So this will be one page. We turn it or flip it. Here I have another space. I can always go with that butterfly there, but I'm not gonna go with that. I think that the only thing I need is to use some of the markers I have around here. Oh, let's write Pollinator Week. Pollinators Week. This blue is not too good, so I cannot complain. And I'm going to go with this here. There. Much better with green. I love it. We have our envelope transformed into a page that we're going to insert inside our journal. So this is going to be the first page of my journal, my new journal, starting this week with pollinators. I hope you like it, and I see you very soon in my next creative episode. And remember, don't go away without subscribing to my channel. You can do it here in this corner, clicking this icon here, or you can always hit the button subscription and then hit the bell. And don't go away without leaving me a thumbs up and comment down below. You can be sure that I'm going to read your comment. I see you very soon in my next creative episode. Bye friends. Bye. Take care. Bye bye.